This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. New RSI waves strategy. Outline. Intro, the RSI waves pattern. Examples, recap. Intro, just found a new RSI strategy going back over some of my original videos on the RSI. When you mix the market maker model with the RSI, you get an amazing tool that tells you when price is going to move. It helps to keep you out of consolidation and gives you confidence in entering your trade. The RSI waves pattern. On a 9-period RSI, draw out the 70, 30, and 50 levels. The RSI follows the market maker model by creating waves that follow the different levels. After a level 1 is created, you can use the RSI to follow that displacement. As we have shown on this channel, the level 2 entry into the level 3 of the market maker model is the easiest and most reliable entry, and it usually gives the largest returns. If you track the RSI with the waves in the market maker model, you can look for the beginning of a market maker cycle by looking for a completed move from the 30 level to the 70 level of the RSI, or vice versa, from the 70 to the 30 level, as a completed level 1 cycle. For buy trades, after a completed level 1 of the market maker model to the upside, meaning the RSI crossed from the 30 level to the 70 level, once price reaches back to the 50 level and crosses back above it once, the second time it crosses back above it, look to enter your trade using your entry model. For sell trades, after a completed level 1 of the market maker model to the downside, meaning price moved from the 70 level to the 30 level, then once price reaches back to the 50 level once, the second time it crosses the 50 level, look to enter your trade using your entry model. I did some back testing and forward testing on this, and the strategy will help keep you out of bad trades and will also help to time your entries so you can actually catch the moment when price actually moves. By popular request, I've launched a Patreon where I share my weekly trades and show exactly how I apply my strategy in real time. Plus, I've set up a Discord channel so you can ask questions and learn with others. I'll be checking in each week to answer questions and offer insight. If you've been wanting to dig deeper and grow as a trader, this is a great way to start. Check the links in the description and I'll see you inside. Examples. Let's take a look at some examples. In this first example, we see a wave 1 created by price moving from the 70 level to the 30 level on the RSI. Then we see price move back up and cross below the 50. That's wave 2. Then once price crosses back above the 50 and then crosses back below it, that is wave 3, and that is our entry. We can see the arrows pointing to the entry point on the RSI that corresponds with the candle crossing below the 513 EMA cross. That's the entry candle, and we can see the move downward. In this next example, we see wave 1, where price moves above the 30 level and above the 70 level. Then when price moves back below the 50 level of the RSI and then back above it, that's wave 2. Then price closes back below the 50 level and then back above it for wave 3, and that is your entry. This creates the breakaway gap candle that you can measure to find out where price moves. In this buy trade, we see a wave 1 created from the close of the day, and then a wave 2 created during the Asian session. Price then moves back below the 50 level of the RSI, and then back above it to create wave 3. That is your entry, and it corresponds to the candle, again, that crossed above the 513 EMA cross. In this sell example, we see wave 1 that happens during the midnight hour, then wave 2 that happens during the London session, and then wave 3 that happens also during the London session. And this is how you can use this new RSI strategy with your existing strategies. On this channel, we place a lot of focus on using the level 2 entry of the market maker model. Well, here we have a level 1 created by the break of this swing low. Then we have a level 2 created by the break of this swing low. And when price comes back in to retest our level 1, we see liquidity taken. And you've heard me several times that when I look for my level 2 entry, I like to see liquidity being taken before price moves away. And in this case, we have liquidity taken. And even though we've already hit our wave 3 on the RSI, price moves back above the 50 level one more time and then goes down. And that's what happens here with this liquidity grab, and then price moves to the downside. To recap, using this new RSI strategy is a great way to complement any of your other trading strategies to help give you confidence in your trade. It can also be used on its own as an entry model. If you like this strategy, please let us know in the comment section if you've applied it in live trading sessions, and let us know if you've had success using this strategy. Thank you for watching.